Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Yamaha FZ-6R. Inline 4-cylinder, 600cc upright sport bike. It's got a nice bikini fairing with a nice smoked touring windscreen. Bar end mirrors, fender eliminator kit, only 18,000 miles on this beautiful Yamaha. It's got some reflective wheel tape, beautiful satin white finish. Come by, check it out. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $42.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.